It is important to do your work, but it is just as important to check your work.
That's right. So in order to correct your math work, we've come up with an easy way to get started.
One way you can correct on your iPad is using split screen.
To use a split screen on your iPad, you first need to open the prior day's assignment.
Then at the top of the screen, you will tap the three dots and select a multitasking screen.
Once you've done this, you will select Canvas and open up the lesson number with correct next to it.
And now you're ready to correct.
As you watch the video, put a red star next to the ones you got correct.
If you missed the problem, that's okay. Write the correct answer in red and circle the number of the problem.
Do this on each of the problems and then submit the corrected problems the same way you submitted the assignment.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's get started.
All right, let's take a look and see how my good old buddy Miguel solved these problems. Look at that, he's already writing his name in cursive. All right, so you were given the task. You know how many it was for one person, but now you're gonna have to figure it for multiple. Well, if I go across 4, I know I've got to times everything by 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. Oops. Miguel, watch your 2s there. Watch your 2s. Watch your 2s. And 4 times 5 is 20. All right, if you got those correct, what I want you to do is put a star on that number. Just a light star with your highlighter. If you missed them, of course, you're going to circle them and write the correct answer. All right, 2 times 10, and now we're timesing by 10. 2 times 10 is 20. 3 times 10 is 30. And 5 times 10 is 50. Again, circle if you missed them, or star if you got it correct. All right, 60. Ooh, a little bit harder. Oh, really, you're smart. 60 times 2 is 120. 60 times 3 is 180. And 60 times 5 is 300. Again, put your stars or your circles, depending on how you did. All right, moving on to the last part down here. Carrots. Oh boy, look at what he did. We know that we've got 30 people. So, because we have 60 carrots, 60 divided by 2 is 30. So, that's how we know we've got 30 people. Well, that means we need to have 90 potatoes, and we need to have 150 pieces of meat. Circles or stars, you know the drill. All right, down at the bottom. Well, if there's 60 carrots, we already established that there are 30 people. So 60 carrots then equals 90 potatoes and 150 pieces of meat. All right, here we go, 60 people. We already know those answers, don't we? That means we have 60 carrots already. We need to add 60 more. And we need to add 90 more potatoes. And we need to add 150 more pieces of meat. All right, good job. Make sure you have all those circles, all those stars, and you're good to go. Make sure you also write the correct answer on there. Have a great rest of your day.